driving the bus.
And the titties.
Yeah.
Here's the titties.
He's sorting them out by colors. He's all smart like that.
Titties.
Let me see your bus. Let me see what you were doing.
What?
Who's in there?
He's driving a bus.
Oh, you got your teddies in there.
There's the bus.
That is so cute.
So cute.
So cute. Uh-oh, Roomba.
Uh-oh, Roomba.
Uh-oh, Roomba.
There's Roomba.
Get out of here, Roomba.
Yeah, Roomba.
Okay, play with your teddies. In the bus. Teddies in the bus. That is adorable. I love that. I'd have these teddies in a old coconut oil container. Really good containers, actually.
And it's Shiffin and Teddy.
Oh, the driver's red. And the passenger is green. Good job.
You aren't subscribed yet?
Please subscribe and like.
Comment and share. Fully Living.
He's driving a bus.
Yep. So driving a bus.
And this Shiffin.
Chevy-Fay.
Shiffin.
That means
Okay.
sit good.
Gotta hog it. Oh, he's hogging it. Like, I didn't even turn it on. He's like, camera, 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 camera. Yeah, it's for Daddy. Daddy needs to talk now. That happens sometimes. But only once in a while. So, basically what happened is today I was supposed to go to get a refresh course on ejection. But I miscalculated the days, and the 27th I thought was Thursday and not Wednesday. So, we got a special vehicle to take me from Eilat because of my leg. And eventually I'm not going there, I'm going to the orthopedic doctor. So that's where I'm headed now, it's at the hospital. So I'll see you after that.
Okay, so my loverly husband, he had to go to the doctor this morning, so he'll tell you about that. But he also picked up 2 packages. One, we got Quest bars from iHerb that I ordered, and one is from my mom. And it looks like half the box got ripped off. We'll see about it. Yeah, and they taped it, so we'll see if everything's in here. Okay, so you can see we tore into these. These are like the Oreo Quest bars, and they are delicious. Cookies and cream. Love them. Love them. Great. I think they're great. You may not if you don't like low carb stuff. I love it. Tasty. And this, because I was scared that they were going to sell out of it, so I ordered another one, Zit Zapper, $1.99 on iHerb, Elf. I really do think this helps me, but you have to use it. Every time I use it, I feel like it helps.
D.
Raphael with a wow, pretty, but I missed that.
Yeah.
Yeah, wow, pretty. I don't know what this is. Oh, sweater wash bag. I can use this. You don't have to wash sweaters in it. They're nice. Oh, she sent me some tins for the, what do you think? But they dented that one. I'll have to beat it out. I'll beat it out. I'll beat it out of it. Ooh, ooh, pretty shirt. Ooh, look how pretty. Nice. Love it. Underwear. Look, it's Scooby-Doo.
Scooby-Doo?
Yeah, Scooby-Doo. How are you? Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Get your hand off your pee-pee.
Did they have pee-pee?
See, he does a little dance with it.
Wow, where's the cheeks?
Oh my goodness! You got puffs.
Puffs.
Yeah, good. Yummy.
Do you open a knife for puffs?
Put the knife on the puffs and open it, okay. Ooh, look how pretty that shirt is. Ooh, that is pretty.
Oh.
Yeah, that's my style right there.
This
Oh, you got some bag closures.
some yellow.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh, are you kidding me? Raphael has this shirt. That is so funny. How do you find 2 shirts that are exactly the same? I think this one's bigger though. It's a bigger size. Yeah, for sure. Genuine Moose Country. He has this. That is crazy. 3T, so it'll be for next year. Almost this year.
Yes, pink. Pink.
Yeah, pink.
What's this?
It's pink. Very good. Binoculars! Kitty wants to look into binoculars. He knows what to do with them.
You
You see stuff? Okay. Hi. Hi there. We greet each other by touching each other's bellies. Hi. Oh, okay. This is part of the Michael Todd thing that they sent me for free.
Mommy.
Oh, cool.
Cool. It's
All these
outside.
tins. Yay. Do you guys remember what it's called? Oh yeah, I'll open it in a minute. When you have 25 of them and you open it the whole month of Christmas. Ah, yeah. She got me some stretch pants. Love my stretch pants. No, that's Mommy's soap.
Oh,
very good. Letters. So that's what we're gonna do with these for pretty much for Christmas. All these tins. Cool.
Yeah, it's good.
Who are you calling short?
Yeah, good.
That's right.
Who is this?
Who is it?
Who is it?
It's Scooby-Doo.
Scooby-Doo. Here's Scooby-Doo. Where is Scooby-Doo?
Yeah, Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Where are you? Wow, look at all these tins that they have now. They're all metal.
Let's see. Open it.
Some more stretch pants, like that. And here was from the original. I guess my mom found it. It was from the original thing that I actually wanted, but she accidentally gave it to Zeb and threw the tins away. So, yeah, that wasn't any good. Alphabet cards. Loves cards. Here you go.
And the cards.
Brand new cards for Raphael.
Cards and Raphael.
I'll have to open them because he'll rip the box. Okay, here. What's that letter?
And the C.
And what is it?
I get you.
It's a zebra.
What's this? Why?
Why?
Y is for yo-yo.
That's right.
X is for zero.
Xylophone.
W is for whales.
Whales and water.
V is for origin.
That's a violin.
V is for violin.
Very good. U. U is for
U is for umbrella.
umbrella. Good job.
T is for T is
Tree.
for train.
And train. What is C for?
T is for train.
What is C for? C4 is explosive. They sent me this to replace the stupid one that they sent that was like a piece of junk. This looks like it's going to be a lot better
R
quality.
is for fish.
It's a eye eraser. I'm going to erase my eyes. I'm just going to put my lip gloss and stuff and warm my lips and see if it works on my eyes.
S is for sun. R is for rabbit. Rabbit.
Ooh, beautiful rocks. Very nice. Candles for next year. I have no idea how this got here and didn't get shattered to bits.
Hazel.
But I'm definitely going to use this. Thank you very much.
P is for Hazel.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Here. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Give it. There. Harmonica.
Yeah.
Here, blow on it.
You cut.
Blow on it.
Let me see it.
No, blow on it.
I'll show you.
Goodness gracious. Hadar's relapsing in front of the
Come here.
TV.
Look.
Double couch in it. Movie theater in here. Blow it!
Blow.
Blow! Oh my goodness, Blues Travelers.
Blow hard. Look. Blow. Hard. Go. Blow.
Other side, Daddy.
No.
It's the other side.
Blow.
Oh, okay.
Very good.
Yeah. Oh! Oh yeah. Love it.
And it's singing.
You're playing music.
Violin. Violin.
That's harmonica.
Very good.
He's breathing in and out. That's how you do it.
That's when he's singing.
Yeah.
Very good.
First instrument.
First just singing.
Second instrument.
No, he's got like 5 instruments or 6. He's got a whole box of them.
Yeah,
It's
good
just
job.
running.
Go, do it.
Hope you guys like that. And she sent another recorder, and this one's a smaller one, a soprano one, so it's different. Oh, okay. He knows what to do with that. Yes, definitely. Oh, that one don't come apart. No. That one don't come apart. His other one comes apart. Charming the snakes.
And he's singing.
Oh, y'all are gonna play together.
Here you go.
There you go.
Go ahead, play both at the same time.
Now, it's
No.
Rafael.
He likes that one better.
No, he likes both of them. He's a master.
Mommy.
Thank you. We'll play together. Kitty, like, is there one for me? Just sent him a shirt, says hungry. And some Play-Doh. And a shirt with a dog on it. And a motorcycle. Scooby-Doo. I have to count the tins to make sure she's got 25 here because there's a hole in the box. And they taped it up. But that's a clear, ginormous hole.
10.
Oh, yeah, I was counting. Okay, so I got a total of
1,
17.
2.
So let me know if that's how many you
3,
sent. And this one's got 25.
5.
I'm going to paint them and put the number on top of them for each day. Unless they fell out of the box, I don't know. Let me know. And thanks a lot. But now I'm going to have to put it up. And I have a mess in here. Oh. And Hadar is like, he's on the phone. He's trying to talk to some people. His appointment today led him to go to work and get a permission to go to a army specialist. He went to a regular doctor, but now he has to go to an army doctor. He needs, a month later, he got an appointment, but he needs to go get an MRI, x-ray, whatever, and he needs permission to get it transferred to an army doctor because the army pays for everything. And the army took 1 month to look at his leg, to look at it, and they're still not looking at it. In my opinion, he should have had an x-ray like within the first week. I think he's doing more damage having to walk around on it. Anyway, thank you, Mom. Say thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma. Say thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
Here, Mommy.
I found a surprise letter from my mom. This is her handwriting. She's lefty. I sent this because it looks like your canister jar is on top of cabinet. She's slanting her words more left than she used to.
You're intense. You're obsessed. You're not normal. You say yes when others say no. You rise while others sleep. You're better today than yesterday. You do what others will not. You control your destiny. You are on a quest. Never stop.
Dun dun dun!
She put a basket right on top of that thing.
She can't have my table. Kitty can't have my table. You get everything, Kitty. Everything.
Whole package. You like my pile of clothes? Been to the doctor, and he said, I got too much kitty on me. I gotta get rid of some kitty. And that'll surely get my knee better. See what she does to my knee? Kitty. Oh, all that fur flying around. I've been trying to groom her a lot, and it just doesn't work much. I mean, I get a bunch of fur off of her, but she just keeps shedding. So happy with her butt up. It's like a sliding ramp. Anyhow, I went to the doctor, and a desensitized man sat there in front of me and twisted my knee back and forth. Does this hurt? Does this hurt? Is that okay? Okay. So then he gave me a referral to MRI, which is going to take a long time, and physiotherapy, which I don't know if I should even do yet, because who knows if I need surgery or who knows. But he was very not nice, and just, so I said, at the end of it, I said, is there anything else I need to do, or have a good day, bye. He just sent me out with a very fake smile. I didn't like that. I don't have to deal with doctors pretty much at all, so I don't know if it's, just him. I did notice the other couple of doctors are not as bad, like they don't care about you at all. But this guy, he was out of their league. He was way worse. Alright, Katie, bye.
You aren't subscribed yet?
Please subscribe and like.
Comment and share FoolyLiving.
So, spoiler, it didn't end that way.
Stop. Stop.
You're 13 years old, aren't you?
14, 16.
Somebody hacked me.
Clap your hands.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.